It is shaping up to be deja vu all over again for the Pacific Northwest as another atmospheric river is taking shape again with subtropical roots, which means temperatures remain above average throughout this rain event. But the West Coast is about to get saturated again, still waterlogged from the last event. So the cold front, I should have scooted this forward or further east, I should say, a little bit more. It is just about landing on the West Coast right now. And as this system rolls through and that atmospheric river points a fire hose of precipitation on the West Coast, there's the potential from now through Thursday of anywhere from 1.5 to 3 or 4 inches additional precipitation, adding to those problems already, or still, I should say, being felt from the rain from last week. Now, in our neck of the woods, we could see 1 inch to 1.5 inches of total precipitation in our mountain areas, maybe ½ an inch or so for the Treasure Valley. Again, this is now through Thursday. We have a couple different rounds of precipitation. It all kicks off tomorrow, though, with a wind event. Wind is our big weather word for tomorrow. In fact, our entire forecast this week brought to you by the letter W: wet, wintry, and windy. First alert weather conditions from now through Friday, though the unsettled weather lingers through the weekend and beyond. We're talking rounds of valley rain, mountain rain, heavy at times, increasing our rock slide risk. The steeper the terrain, the higher that risk will be. High elevation snow will start stacking up above 6,000 feet. Strong gusty winds, though, mean tonight I would batten down the hatches, secure those outdoor items. If you have inflatables out in your front yard, that holiday decor, a trampoline in the backyard, I would either deflate the inflatables for the next little bit, way down the trampoline. Those could go flying. Plan for messy mountain travel at times as well, with the rock slide potential and the high elevation snow over those high peaks. So what are we talking about as far as wind? The front is set to come through around 7 to 9 a.m. tomorrow. Along with them behind the front, look at the potential for wind gusts up to 50-mile-per-hour winds through early afternoon. So hours of sustained strong winds. That's in Boise. Look at Twin Falls, a high wind warning in place for the Magic Valley, and this is why we're talking 60-plus-mile-per-hour winds, tapering to 50-mile-per-hour winds. This will be almost all day in the Magic Valley. Strong winds. This is quite literally a hold on to your small dogs kind of day tomorrow. And the front will bring in rain along with the wind, maybe even some rumbles of thunder as we have this cooler air clashing with the warmer air in place. And temperatures tomorrow, not where they should be. Our highs will be in the morning. We'll cool throughout the day. So we'll start off our Wednesday in the 50s, cooling to the 40s. By 3 or 4 in the afternoon tomorrow, the Boise area may start seeing some sunshine. The winds will die down. The precipitation turns off, but the morning will be quite messy. I do anticipate rain and wind during the morning commute. Snow levels tomorrow, though, will be as high as 6,000 to 7,000 feet initially, crashing back down by Wednesday night when the precipitation turns off. So remember, lows tomorrow will be in the afternoon. So these are our afternoon temperatures in the mid-40s. Highs will be in the morning. We'll be in the 50s early on in the Treasure Valley and the Magic Valley, with 40s in the mountains. Then another front comes in on Thursday. That one, with colder air in place, could bring a quick round of snow even to the Treasure Valley. I don't think it'll stick, as temperatures will hit the 40s on Wednesday, but wind will continue. Showers continue on Friday. A rainy wrap up to the work week as we head into the first day of winter on Sunday. Temperatures warm, but rain sticks around off and on every day through next Monday.